we're going to give you some tips and tricks for the closet right now, because I feel like this is a very common place where things can get cluttered. You know, you just throw it everywhere, you just hang it up wherever you want, but if you look at Amy's closet, it looks very nice when it's all organized. So where should people start?
Well, again, you want to go through all of your stuff to decide what do you want to keep and what do you want to get rid of. So anything that's torn, ripped, has holes in it, stained, that kind of stuff is an easy thing to go ahead and get rid of. Also get rid of some of your notions that you're going to get everything altered.
Okay.
And just let it go. So once you get down to the stuff that you want to keep, I like to organize my clothes by like sleeveless, and then I have my jacket type stuff here into the regular season. A lot of people have extra closets that they store their off-season clothes in. I like to keep everything in this closet. So I have my pants and my summer clothes at the bottom, winter clothes here up at the top because that's the season that we're in, and then things that can fold up high, and then even higher are bins of things that I get into very rarely.
And now, your closet's not color coordinated. What do you think about color coordinating clothes?
I think it's really fun to coordinate clothes by color, but I don't think it's very practical for most people to keep up with. So again, organizing isn't about making it look like an IKEA catalog or making it look perfect. It's about making it functional. For me personally, I will never put them back in color order. I guess I'm too lazy for that. So.
It's okay though. It still looks
nice. And most people are. So color order to me doesn't matter so much.
And now let's take a look at the back. Okay, so we have t-shirts, we have jewelry. This looks really nice. You can see everything where it is.
Right, and it keeps the clutter of like the jewelry off of my dresser and out of the actual living space that I'm using. Shoes are in here too. You can hardly see them. And then
she got them packed down there.
And then off-season clothes, like summer shirts that I can fold as I shift my winter and summer. There's not as much room on the bottom. I fold them and put them way up at the top there.
Wow, and so these are just some tips and tricks that you can do yourself at home, or if you need help, if you got a little too much clutter going on, you can contact them and they will come and help you organize anything in your home. Caitlin Parrott, 44 News.